Pure love. You deserve to have pure love. Peace and love is something you can practice for yourself. Every day I encourage for you to go inward, whether you're sitting, standing, walking, or laying down. You can use 5 to 10 minutes just to go from within. Because when you go from within, the whole compassion, the whole wisdom, everything is within you. You are unique. And the universe is within our state of mind. And what you think, you will become. And let's make your day worthwhile. Some of you being lazy, you don't want to do anything. And sometimes you don't even have a purpose. You don't even have the drive just to get up, to eat, to wash your face, and to do a simple thing for yourself. Right at this moment, make a vow to yourself. Today you will make a difference for yourself. And today you will change your habit. Some of you have problem with drinking, smoking, and eating very excessively. Now it's time to discipline. Because if you don't discipline your mind, it's really hard to see your pure state of mind from within, your pure love, and to have the compassionate for yourself, to give yourself a chance to heal. Face it. When the womb is already happening, it's already split up, give it time to heal. You don't have to keep touching on the womb. The more you look into the past, the more you will become very stressed and very angry because it's out of your expectation and you wonder why this happened. It's already happened. It's time for you to move on. And meditation is the best thing you can do yourself. You can do it for yourself. And it doesn't mean that you really have to sit down and cross your legs and keep still for the longest time. It's the moment that you return to your breath, the moment that you settle down and really feel calm, relaxing within yourself. This is when you can see that, wow, joy and happiness is right within me. And I hope you have what it takes to really practice generosity, love, and kindness within yourself. Because in the end, the only thing we have is pure love. The pure love for each other, nothing else. And I feel that is the most beautiful thing in us, that we have pure love for each other. Hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you and Sutu.